proud as a runner-up of Miss Cosmo 2025. Now, you are the chairman of the board tonight. I'm sure it's a lot of pressure, but what are you looking for? What qualities are you looking for in a queen, in Miss Cagayan de Oro?
Okay, may score din ba ako for tonight? Well, okay, as what I have noticed about our delegates for this year's Miss